Okay, here's their painter's tip of the day. It's no surprise to you that you use a guide coat in between sanding procedures. When you go to a new grit, you want to use a guide coat so that you can see that you've sanded out all of the past sanding grit. Now, one thing beknownst to me that I've never understood is why guys use bumper coating or clad coating black spray paint for their guide coat. Okay, the black is easy to see, I understand that, but it clogs your paper and it doesn't allow for your paper to cut evenly like it's supposed to. I don't know. I just don't get it. Why would you use something that clogs your paper if you decide to block dry? Even wet, it doesn't work the same. So I just use a cheap primer. I typically use red. I don't have any of that on hand at the very moment. Otherwise, I would be using it. But this is a darker gray than the gray that I'm using, which I'll show you right here. It's plenty enough. Camera makes it a little harder to see, but it's got a greenish hint to it. It's plenty enough to make for a guide coat, which we're not wanting to clog it up. We just want to put nice, even coverage of speckled dots, you know. This way, if we decide we want to dry sand the spot instead of wet sand, we can easily do that. And as you put water on this, you will see it clear as day. You will see the color differences. But yeah, that's your tip for the day. I probably should have done this on the other side where I have better lighting. I just blew this off so I have crap going everywhere, but as you see, there. That's the best shot I can get. You know how cameras are, fickle. Also, one other thing that they don't do is they don't give away that sprayable guide coat, and they don't give away the brushable guide coat that you apply by hand. It is not cheap stuff. And this is $1 a can. I can do 3 of these hoods with this can. You make your call.